coming in, so wormy apple. What you got in that sack there, mister?
Never you mind now. Run along now.
Mary, he's got pups in there. Do something, Mary. You can't drown him. You can't.
Now go on now, get! Before I take a stick to you.
Hurry, Mary. Can you hear anything?
No.
I hope they're not. I can't tie it.
Here, let me try.
They're not moving. Hurry up, Mary.
I'm doing the best I can.
Oh, God. Let them be okay.
I got it. Laura, there's one more. You see?
I can't. I just can't.
Laura! It's a rock! A silly old rock! Hungry! Hungry! Oh no! Carrie followed us again!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Hungry! Hungry!
Bro.